Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm back and it feels good to be back. Sorry for the gap in uploads there for a little while. It's been a crazy 2023 so far, but today this is not something a little different than what I normally do. It's an install video for the DZ tailgate assist, and I've got it all laid out here and ready to go. I'm gonna get my tripod set up, take you guys along with me as we install this. Stay tuned. Peace. Install the bottom plate by placing the bolt into the insert using a 4mm Allen wrench, torque to 8 pounds, and that's going to go where? Remove the tailgate cable. You can do that. That was easy enough. Let's see. I don't want to remove the cable bolt. Do I need to remove the cable bolt? I guess I do. Well, let's see. Do I have a T45? I do not have a T45. I have a T40. Will that fit? Will it? Maybe. Or maybe not. That'll do it. Boy, that's in there tight. Which doesn't surprise me. Because, you know, why wouldn't it be? Makes sense for it to be in there tight. Alright, now that that is out, well, mostly out, we need to take this and put it right back in there. Smooth. I like it. I like it. Alright. I've been wanting to install one of these forever, and I've just not done it. And I watched a video the other day on YouTube of someone that was installing one as well, and I said, you know, that's probably a good idea to go ahead and get one of these and do it myself. So here we are. Now then, I'm taking this off. Remove the rubber block shown by prying the screw, twisting the screw. Okay. All right. I need a screwdriver, just a regular screwdriver, and I'm gonna have to go inside to get one of those. Remove the rubber block shown by prying out on the screw and twisting the screw at the same time. Okay. Let's keep going with it, just to see before I start destroying it. Ouch. It just doesn't seem to be coming out. So I'm gonna get some pliers. I'll be right back. Okay. Alright, I have channel locks. We're gonna rip this bad boy out of there if we can. And if not, we will. There we go. Now then, that's going to go in there like that. Okay, and excuse me, I need my handy dandy Allen's here to go right in there, and then we tighten. Sorry for the background noise. It's pretty interesting that anytime I come out here to do something, This is normally not a very busy street, but anytime I come out here to do something video related or anything like this, it turns into the interstate out there, and it's nothing but traffic, traffic, traffic. That seems pretty tight. And now then, we take this out. Yeah, pretty neat. Whoops. Okay. Now then, this comes off. Oh, they already put Loctite on there for me. Thanks, DZ. Now then, all right. Now then, I'm gonna install the larger part of the shock. It's this part. And here. And kaboom. And then, oh my gosh, this part goes down here. Ouch. And goes on like so. All right. We're making progress. We're making progress, baby. I like it. Oops. Back to my lower part. Let's move this off the tailgate. I think it's ready to go. But we're gonna find out. Hopefully you guys can still see. Oh, this thing. That's the clip. What does that do? I don't understand what that does. What does this do? For the love of God, what do you do? Okay, so I don't know, measuring 3.5 inches down from what? This or here? So let's just say it goes right here. Glad I got the pliers. Not really sure what this does, but okay. Need to open my channel locks up a little bit there. Jeebus, not that much. Okay, so now we put this back on, I suppose. Alright. Alright, let's see how it works. Hopefully I got it right. We shall see soon enough. Butter, like butter. I think this is too far. Yeah, that's more than 3.5 inches there. So let's see. There we go. Yeah, that'll work, I suppose. Let's try it again. Oh, no, something is still hitting there. I don't think that's supposed to hit up against the shock like that, but I don't know. It's weird. Why is it doing that? Ladies and gentlemen, this is quite interesting. Okay, so am I supposed to put that clip at the top? Yeah. That's what it shows. But I don't understand. Here? Alright, let's slide that bad boy up there. About right there, maybe? Let's see. What is your deal? Huh. Peculiar. I don't don't think it's supposed to do that. Yeah, why is it? That's interesting, y'all. It's hitting in a weird way here. I don't understand the why. Let's take another look at it here. We'll figure it out. Okay, well, it's installed properly, so I'm not sure what its malfunction is, but it's quite interesting. Either way, it's installed. I'm gonna roll with it and we'll see how it works out. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll continue to check out the progress on this thing and see how it's doing. If you like what I'm doing, hit that like, subscribe button, leave me a comment, and I'll catch you on the next time. Thanks for watching. Join me next time as we wade through this adventure of life here on Wade's Outdoor Adventures. Peace, y'all.